Hi, I'm Tom Bowling and I'm here at Pioneer Imports and Wholesale, and I want to share with you today this amazing eucalyptus. It's called the Victoria Collection, and you'll notice how different it looks from the traditional permanent eucalyptus. This is actually silk screened material and then stamped out and of course added into the wreath to make a very beautiful accessory. And it comes as the wreath. It also comes as a garland and then the spray as well. So it gives you a lot of options. And when you're designing in your store, you probably want to take advantage of all three because you want to build a collection. So if somebody's doing maybe a table runner, this would be ideal to stretch down the table, anchor it in maybe a couple places with some dry foam, build some interest areas. Now you have a beautiful table runner centerpiece, or it could be done as a vertical piece as well. Then using the pick, of course, or the small spray, this can be taken apart, dissected, and then creating an interest. But I love the fact that this gray tone is that melding color. It blends all the other colors together and makes it one harmonious look. So using gray to your advantage is a great tip for your design work. And then of course the wreath, and we see this and we go, oh, it goes on the wall or on the door. Yes, it can. However, it can also serve as a base for a beautiful centerpiece. And that could be something either by itself, accessorized with maybe some votive candles or a piece of statuary into the center. So it really gives you an open palette, easy to use, diverse. So when we're buying, we don't want to buy one, we want to buy multiples, because at that point you're going to show it as a wall piece. You definitely want to show it as a centerpiece, and then you want to have those available for your customers just to DIY, to do it themselves, because there's a lot of that going on, as we all know. So be the source and offer these unique and different products. Thank you, Pioneer Imports and Wholesale.